Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Tech Tips. In this video, I'm looking at a topic that's on a lot of people's minds, privacy on Instagram. Specifically, how to hide your followers and protect your privacy on the platform. So if you're looking to keep certain aspects of your account private, stick around, because I'm going to walk you through all the options Instagram gives you. Can you actually hide followers on Instagram? Let's get one thing clear, Instagram doesn't have a magic button to hide your followers. But don't worry, there are a few workarounds you can use depending on whether you have a public or private account. And while Instagram is testing some features for verified accounts, these aren't available to most users just yet. So let's look at what you can do right now to keep your follower list more private. The easiest way to hide your followers from prying eyes is to make your account private. This means only people who follow you can see your followers and who you are following. Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to do this. Open the Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Go to your settings by tapping the three horizontal lines at the top right. Head to Privacy and toggle your account to private. By doing this, only people who you approve as followers will be able to see your activity, including your follower list. If there are specific people you don't want snooping on your followers or who you follow, you can always remove them from your follower list. Open Instagram and go to your profile, then tap on Followers. Scroll to find the person you want to remove, then tap Remove. And that's all. They won't be notified and they'll no longer see your followers or the content you post. If you don't want to make your account private but still want to keep certain users out, blocking them is another option. When you block someone, they won't be able to see your profile, your followers, or any content. Here's how you can block someone. Go to the profile of the person you want to block. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner, and then select Block. You can choose to block just that account or any accounts they create in the future. Once blocked, they won't be able to access your content at all. So, while Instagram doesn't yet offer a direct way to hide your followers from everyone, there are still effective ways to maintain your privacy. Whether it's making your account private, removing specific followers, or blocking certain users, you have the power to control who sees your activity on the gram. See you next time.